So you want to be healthier, you want to get a good night's sleep, you want to have more energy and just be healthier overall. But you're on a budget, right? But what if you could get all of that for free right now? Cool. What in the world? Is this really possible? I mean, major health benefits and all for free? Earthing, which is also known as vitamin G or grounding, is just getting back to skin-to-skin contact with the earth. It's a therapeutic technique that focuses on realigning your electrical energy by connecting with the earth. You see, the earth is negatively charged and emits negative ions and electrons. These help detoxify our bodies and neutralize free radicals, shown here. Free radicals can't be avoided. They occur naturally, but they do cause damage. Free radicals are linked to inflammation, and inflammation is connected with diseases like heart disease, cancer, immune dysfunction, aging, and cognitive decline. All things we want to avoid. Just imagine Wile E. Coyote is free radicals, causing you all sorts of health problems. But through the power of earthing, you neutralize him. And since we all lead hectic lives, we often end up dog-tired. Not to worry, earthing can help with that too. People who practice earthing have more energy. Now, before you take matters into your own hands, let's talk about how to do this earthing thing. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name's Steve Stearns, and I help men and women over 40 look and feel their best naturally. By making small changes that have a big impact, I help you create a healthy lifestyle you love. So visit me at stevestearns365.com. Okay, back to the video and some earthing. Just go barefoot outside, take a walk, or go to the beach. Just 30 minutes is all it takes. You have to be barefoot because sneakers insulate us from the earth. Wading in water works too. Nice. You can lay down outside and have a picnic, anything that gets you in touch with the earth. Actually, eating the earth is probably taking this just a bit too far. Not necessary. There are even devices available to allow you to get in touch with the earth inside and while you sleep. Very beneficial. Here are just a few more benefits you can get from earthing or grounding. So there you have a really simple way to dramatically improve your health just by taking your shoes off. I think earthing is right up there with nutrition and exercise as a component of a healthy lifestyle. And speaking of nutrition, feel better than you have in years and increase your nutrient intake and identify foods that may be working against you, I can help. Feeling better than you have in years is just 30 days away. Join me for the next 30 Days to Healthy Living program and get recipes, resources, and results. Discover which foods help you, which work against you, and how to feel great again. You wouldn't pour sugar water into your car and expect it to run at peak performance. Well, the same's true for your body. My friend Keith said it's like finding the fountain of youth, and I agree. I'm closing in on 60 and I feel like I did when I was in my 20s. So give me 30 days to show you what's possible. To learn more, just go to stevestearns365.com/30. Hey, did you get value from this video? If so, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I put out a new video, and I do that almost every week. Peace. Hey, did you get video? I do that all the time.